Infertility in cows and how to prevent it in dairy farms. Infertility is a common problem in cows with a high milk yield. Cow with a restricted diet and less cow comfort prone for infertility. Infertility is a common problem in CPHF cows. Providing balanced diet, sufficient floor space, ventilation are basic needs of this animal. Infertility is a common problem in cows with metabolic disease conditions. Cow with a high concentrated diet and low fodder diet is susceptible for infertility. Infertility is a common problem in cows suffer from ecto-endoparasite infestation. Infertility is very common in cows provided with a more carbohydrate diet. Infertility is common in cows allowed for natural service with disease-infected bulls. Infertility is a common problem in CPHF cow with poor body score. Infertility is very less in a cow with a good body score. Artificial insemination at the target age of 18 months and body weight around 200 kg body weight is the best time for heifers. Successful calf born after infertility treatment in a crossbreed cow. Artificial insemination for cow by experienced vet prevent infertility. To maintain the quality of frozen semen straw, don't lift the straw above the lower end of the neck of the container. Thawing frozen semen is a very important process in artificial insemination. Artificial insemination at proper heat signs is very essential to prevent infertility. Proper timing of AA, proper maintenance of LM2 container and LM2 level, proper sterilization of AA gun and scissors are the responsibility of the artificial inseminator. Thanks for watching a field vet awareness video for farmers.